What are you doing, Ben?
Benjamin.
What are you doing? Are you gonna read that one?
Alle voetbalboeken.
Yeah. Oh, another one. Yep, another hard cross. Oh, switching it up. The Ajax shelf.
Ja.
Watching Daddy get nervous.
Alle Ajax-boeken.
Well, Ajax books are gonna go down. Oh, left-handed. Whoa, 2 at a time. Whoa.
Papa's verzameling.
With gusto. What's that mean? Whoa.
Collection.
Daddy's whole collection at the hand of God is going down.
Ben, het zijn allemaal voetbalboeken.
Is that Maradona?
Ja, Maradona en Cruyff.
Is that it?
Was het?
You're leaving your job unfinished there, buddy. Couple left. Where are you going? Uh-oh. Oh. Off to the kitchen. Where are you going?
Benjamin. Benjamin. Kijk uit.
Yeah? Yeah? Careful. Whoop. Yeah, the socks are kind of slippery. Yeah, the socks are slippery.